guys, welcome to our channel News Veto. Please like, share, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the daily updates of our channel. Today's news headlines are: reports record spike of 3,947 cases. New Delhi. Delhi on Tuesday recorded its largest single day spike of COVID-19 cases so far, with 3,947 people testing positive. Although this number came on the back of sharp increase in testing in the state, 16,952 samples were tested on Tuesday. Tuesday's spike took the tally in the city to 66,602, with more than 40% of the cases coming in just the last 10 days. The number of deaths touched 2,301, with 68 new fatalities reported in the last 24 hours. According to the Delhi government's Delhi Health Bulletin, the number of average delayed tests in the capital more than doubled to 13,880 for the week ending June 23 compared to 6,200 the week before. Trump freezes H-1B, H-4 visas for rest of the year. Washington. U.S. President Donald Trump on Monday extended the suspension of green card till the end of the year and expanded it to cover non-immigrant work visas such as H-1B and H-4, which go mostly to Indian professionals and their spouse hired by both American companies such as Google, Microsoft and Amazon, and Indian information technology services giants such as Tata Consultancy Services, Wipro and Infosys. India will be disproportionately impacted as the large beneficiaries of the H-1B program, accounting for more than 70% of the 85,000 visas issued annually. Senior Trump administration officials said the move was intended to ensure Americans had the first shot at the jobs in the aftermath of record job losses caused by COVID-19 related lockdown, and are expected to free up 525,000 jobs. Tells Pakistan to cut staff at High Commission by 50% in 7 days. New Delhi. India on Tuesday asked Pakistan to reduce the strength of its High Commission in New Delhi by half, saying the action of Pakistani officials were part of a larger policy of supporting cross-border violence and terrorism. Pakistan charged the affair Saeed Haider Shah was summoned to the External Affairs Ministry and informed that the High Commission's strength should be reduced by 50% within a week. Shah was told India will reciprocally reduce its diplomatic presence in Islamabad by the same proportion, the ministry said. The move came after two junior officials of the Pakistan High Commission were expelled on charges of spying on May 31. In response, Pakistan Security Agency detained two staff members of the Indian mission in Islamabad. Patient burdened doctors at COVID care center. News sobs confusion triggered by orders stating all mild asymptomatic patients be brought in once.